Yeah. Yeah. And we got the backup camera. Ain't that crazy? Yes, sir. Good morning, YouTube. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Goddamn Bob from marketing. That might go over most of y'all head, but Bob from marketing.
Everybody is Bob from marketing.
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Man, what's going on? What's going on with y'all, man? What's going on, man? Yeah, it's the start of our week, man. First day back on the grind from some pretty good amount of time off. I see everybody gonna play. I see everybody gonna play goddamn tough. But anyway, yeah, it's our first day back on the grind. I mean, I'm feeling pretty good, man. We had some concerns with the truck earlier in the week that pushed us back a little bit. Yeah, it pushed us back a little bit. But nevertheless, we are back getting to it. You know what I gotta do? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, y'all, I was just thinking about something, man. But anyway, we back on the grind. We down here in Sanford, North Carolina. We going to the old kitty cat dealer. Yeah, doggy. We going to the kitty cat dealer, man. Going to pick up some cats. I think he said we are picking up some. What the fuck did he say? Man, I want to say, I think skid steers, man. Yeah, I think skid steers. I'm pretty sure. I don't know why I say machine parts, but yeah, we going for the old skid steer pack. Yeah, we gonna pick us up some skid steers. From what it looks like, I done seen like 3 flatbeds come out of here this morning. Coming up 421, well, coming south, 421 south. I done seen like 3 flatbed. Damn, hit this circle tight. Damn, I'm already up on the median. But they could do better with that, man. I know y'all got all these. I got a cat shit right there. That's not the factory I'm going to, but damn, back on the curve. Yeah, on the median again. They need to do better with these roundabouts. But yeah, man, let's go get some excavators, man. I just wanted to lock in, tell y'all good morning. It's the start of my week. Yes, it's Thursday. Me don't care. They don't care, man. Still going to get it, man. Still money to be made, man. I took about 6 days off, man. After coming from South Dakota, getting a load back to Salisbury, North Carolina, which is like 15 minutes from the house, 20 minutes from the house. So it worked out sort of at the end of the day last week, but got home Friday. Got home in time for the snow and, you know, the kids and all that good stuff. So that was a blessing for me, man, to be able to get home before the big, I ain't gonna say snowstorm, I'm gonna just say snow, because it wasn't really a storm. It was just a of snow, man. We got like 11, almost 12 inches of snow where I live in North Carolina, which we don't normally get. So, you know, again, it was just a blessing to get home, man, and be able to spend some time with family and enjoy some snow for once. It's sad we can't never get this for Christmas, but it's all good. King, baby. All trucks back into marked parking spaces located past the propane tanks on the left. Check in at office. Okay. All right, y'all. We here, man. I'm trying to spin y'all around a little bit. Cats for days, man. Cats for days, big dog. It is. We here, y'all. I try to get some better footage once we of what's going on outside your boy truck. Nah, we just gonna go ahead and slap on over on the other side of Big Breath. That's what we gonna do. E.W. Wiley, they probably in and out of here on a daily basis. Excuse me. E.W. Wiley. Let's see if I can slide y'all right here. Yeah. Huh? What you doing, bro? Oh, you better be taking your ass to the bed. Like, fuck. He got that big boy. Yeah, he got that big boy on him. Yes, Ersky. He got that big boy. Let's see. Shit, I hope we only get 3. You feel me? I hope we only get 3. Yeah, all the other guys only got 3. Shit. No worries of my grandma. Shit. Shout out Granny. Shout out Granny, man. On my dad's side. Shout out both my grannies, but I'm talking about my granny on my dad's side. Well, you know them old grandma, they don't play, my boy. They'll let you know, boy. You know, grandma and them will let you know, boy. Yeah. They'll let you know, boy. So, let me see. I might try to take y'all in here, man. With your boy. I might try. Whoa. It said park though. Oh. Yeah, let me roll up in here. Let me roll up in here real quick, y'all. And then we'll get some footage once we get out here on the yard. Boss man. Oh, excuse me. Let me slide by. This one good. Yeah, I just the two smaller ones in the middle, then the heavier one on the back. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. Excuse me. Yeah, I didn't want him to try to make it simplified for him, man, but I'll try to get some footage for y'all. We got back in, man. We checked in. We got in line right here, and then we pulled up and backed into the dock. But what I'm having them do is, we're gonna put a heavy and then 2 small and then the heavy on the back, cause ain't no point in putting all this weight on my drives, man, if we don't have to. That's why I asked him, I said, back it up just a little bit. Yeah, I appreciate y'all doing that for me. Yeah, I'm not finna like these guys, like barely any. I mean, you got weight on your trailer axles, but you got the 2 heaviest machines up front. That made no sense, bruh. Why? You know what I'm saying? Let's disperse some of that weight and get some of that weight dispersed out a little more evenly, a little better. You feel me? And hope y'all can see, man. Should be able to get a good little view. Of course, I ain't got my phone to check. But yeah. Oh. Why you ain't put the big one? Okay. Come up just a little bit. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate you again, brother.
I got it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try and see what I do. I gotta take this.
Okay. Well, we gonna get to chaining, man. I'm gonna keep this shit real simple, y'all, and I'm gonna chain on the tracks. Less chain, plenty secure, man, y'all. Work smarter, not harder, man. 275, 265, 265. Okay, see? So that worked out because disperse the weight a little better. This is the heaviest one though, but that's okay. And then we got the two heavier ones on the rear, so that worked out for us, man. Yes, sir. Might throw y'all in a little time lapse or something, but I haven't been able to figure the time lapse out too well. So I ain't gonna count on that too heavy, too much. Yeah, this how we gonna do it. And we just, oh man. You want me to pull up? Whenever you're done, you want me? He cool as hell. But my boy he let off. But he cool than a motherfucker though. I can't even complain about the guy. They got your boy right. Yeah, man.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing. Yeah. Made it through poverty, on a minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't with me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga, I was on 6, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other niggas came with it, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation. Top gun is on vacation. I'm not trying to hurt nobody. Count up the merchants, I promise some patience. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, make it the basic. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more hit than a tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah. I got a rich and get no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she needs me. That's what you get when you think of marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on the bed. Got me sad. It's so hard, it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs, found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so paid. Move them bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. The niggas came with me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga, I was on 6, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other niggas came with it, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, Car full of bullets, ain't better no shooter. That what you get when you niggas delusional. I remember when they thought I was average. Now I wake up and I fuck on a bad bitch. I tried to fight temptation.
All right, y'all, man, we're done. Now, like I told you guys, I'm trying this way. This will be like the first time I do track tie down without having at least 3 points. But I got 3/8 chain, and we got 3/8 half-inch binder as well. So I think we got more than enough securement, man. Like I said, I normally like to do it at least like this, but I think this will be okay. I really don't see this going anywhere. I think my only offset on it was that I didn't even have enough chains and binders with me. If I would have done it the other way, I would have needed 12 chains. 12 chains, 12 binders. I did want to show y'all, you know, my weight limits. 3/8 chain by 10 feet, 6,600 working low limit. My binders, again, just want to show y'all, you know, had to kind of turn y'all upside down for that one. Working low limit, 9,200 pounds on the binders. So again, man, just want to show y'all that we ain't stupid. You know, 3/8 chain all around, 9,200 on the binders all around. This is 3/8 to half-inch. This is actually, the quick binders is actually 12,000. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's 12,000. So, and that's just what I got all the way around. We don't got nothing, you know, 6,600 on the chains all the way around, 12,000. I'm talking about 1,200. 12,000 on the quick binders. My red are 9,200 as well, as well as the yellow ones. So you know, we got more than enough securement. Is this my preferred method? No, it's not my preferred method. But I just wanted to show y'all, you know, so y'all wouldn't think we out here tripping on some other, you know, nah, we good. But I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in here in a minute, man. We'll get back in the truck, get moving down this interstate. This Pilot is slam packed, man. Look, they got new card readers, man. At the Pilot, look at it. Look at them, yo. I dig it. Yeah, what is it? Tractor. They touchscreen and shit, man. No def. Let's go ahead and skip that. Skip. Yeah, we're gonna skip the old defer. Man, I love this so much better, bro. Like, yo, these buttons, bro, this keypad is crazy. Oh, that's crazy work. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, the low riding pretty good, man. I can't, oh, we can at least skip the advance now instead of, unless they're gonna ask me for, oh, no, they already, yeah. Fuel and go. Oh, please read message after fueling. Okay. Okay, Pilot. New pumps. Okay. Yeah, I'm rocking with it. All right, y'all, man. Let's get I just kept the, oh, shit, I ain't even got my mic on me. So y'all gonna hear a whole bunch of truck. In that first clip. Y'all gonna hear a ton of truck. But yeah, y'all, so let's go ahead and start getting this shit unchained. But I end up having to leave the trailer brakes off because this trailer airbags deflate when you set the trailer brake, so yeah, but as y'all can see, it's held up, man, with no issues. In case y'all ever wondering, I don't think I had it on record, but I mean, another truck driver came up to me talking about This gonna be, my chain's gonna be enough. I'm like, what? I mean, I know he don't know, you know, what I got, what chains I got and stuff, so. I'm like, bro,
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. I'm a dog, I'm money. I can smoke already so hard in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. I'm a dog, I'm money. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause I'm trying to break it in. New condo, second name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. I'm a dog, I'm money.
all right, y'all. Let's see if we still got it. Let's see if we remember this. Get y'all some of this content. Now, mind you, man, I ain't never. Damn, this shit smells brand new. That's crazy, bro. It smells brand new. Wow, look at this. Look, I don't even know how to turn them on. That's crazy. I don't even think I'm gonna try to. Nah. Oh, there we go. Back and forth. Okay. That's the bucket. What do you want me to do? That's the bucket. Okay. It's just my. Oh yeah, we good. We good, baby. Easy peasy. Yeah. And we got the backup camera. Ain't that crazy? Yes, sir. I'm not about to go speeding this shit off the trailer. I ain't stupid. No, I'm not finna rush. But I like this, man. This backup camera is definitely I'm a little crooked on the dock, as y'all can probably see now, but man, they putting these backup cameras on these. Boy, the ones at United Rentals, man, we ain't have no damn backup camera, man. Nah, no siree. Let's just go ahead. Oh no, where did he put them things? Feel like he went over here though. Yeah, let's go over here with it then. Yeah, we comfortable now. Yes, sir. Yeah, we comfy now. Man, that, bro, when I say, like, that right there, that's crazy. You don't understand how much that helps out, man. It's got a little bit of a lag on the throttle response though. That's probably why they want you to like take it slow. I think he's parking them right here. Yeah, let's just pull right here. I think this way my man is parking him. Yeah, that's where it look like he's parking him at. Yeah, it's just a little lag on the response, but that's cool. That's normal, man. Probably for damn, I like this, man. I like. Oh, hold up, guys. Let's let the bucket down. Let's see if we can do that in park. No, we gotta start it. Okay. I mean, easy start though. Unlock. Oh, I guess it's not gonna let us unlock in the. Okay, so you can only do that. Just park it back up, cut them off. Yes, sir. Nah, man, I like that, man. That's these brand new things, man. Definitely, yeah. Where it's at, bro. We gonna get this paperwork. This is what we like to do, baby. This is what we really about to get into. This is what we really about to get into, man. No leaks, baby. Ha ha. Love it. Love it. Love it when we ain't got no leaks, y'all. Yes, sir. But guys, I'm finna get this paperwork signed. I'm gonna lock back in with y'all in a little bit. Peace. We got that unloaded at Cat, as y'all see. We finished up over there. Definitely some of my go-to kind of, you know, freight. Definitely enjoy doing equipment, man, because it's just so simplified and ain't a whole bunch of loops. But anyway, got that, and we are marching over to, I think, Loudon, Tennessee, to pick up our next load. But I think I'm gonna cap this video off here. I don't think I'm gonna pick up the next load or record the next load. So just like metal scrappings or something like that. I looked on their Google, you know, looking at the reviews and stuff, and it just looked like a whole bunch of recycled metal, heavy ass metal, man. So I know in the beginning she said something like some sheets or something. I hope that's what it is. But anyway, I just want to kind of wrap up this video. We got a sort of a tricky weekend in front of us as far as what we got to do over the next few days. And we just gonna go from there, man. And I'll tap back in. I just want to say, man, appreciate you guys for locking in, checking these videos out. Grateful for everybody who keep coming back, man, watching the channel, watching the content. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to get better, trying to put out more content. You know, so y'all keep rocking with me, man. It's only gonna get better. It's only gonna get better. We getting ready to try to run it up before match. That way we can try to put the truck in the shop to get some things done. Like nothing particularly mechanical, more so like cosmetic. So we ain't gotta pull up at match looking, you know, the way we been looking. Maybe do some polishing, get some polishing done on the truck, as well as put on a couple new pieces that we got. But y'all will see. Y'all will see. I don't want to like spoil everything and not have content for it. So y'all will see. And we'll lock in, man. But appreciate y'all, man. Much love to everybody. And I appreciate it again, man. Grateful for the viewers, grateful for the comments, grateful for the thumbs up. Appreciate y'all big time, man. So we'll tap in with y'all on the next video.